So far, you have learned the differences between cleaning, sanitizing, disinfecting, and sterilizing. We have emphasized the need for a program versus products approach to your sanitation needs, and we have looked at the pH scale. We also promised a road that provides the easiest, safest, and most cost-efficient sanitation within your industry, guaranteeing a green, optimal health solution. Well, now it is time to put it all together with our 10 keys to your gold standard sanitation program. With products that 1. Are pH neutral, so not to eat up your facility and be hazardous to your people. 2. Are great, efficient cleaners, because cleaning is 90% of sanitation success. 3. Are environmentally friendly, green solutions that work better than harsh chemicals, allowing you to be compliant before mandates force you to. 4. Are non-allergenic, so not to stimulate asthma, eyes, ears, nose issues, and skin rashes. 5. Minimize needs for personal protective equipment. 6. Cut through soap and biofilm buildup to make it easier to get at microbes, and in the process, decrease slips and falls that contribute to worker comp claims. 7. Include technology for enhanced surface saturation so you don't miss any areas of concern. 8. Lower sanitation costs cumulatively by upwards of 70%. 9. Easy-to-use cleaners, sanitizers, disinfectants, and sterilizers that mitigate mistakes and training issues. 10. Are on the EPA List N for compliance to kill COVID-19. And finally, with over 30 years in the making, there is only one road to sanitation success, and that road is paved by Green Planet Scientific and the science of green.